Hello, today I'm working on a pine needle basket, and somebody asked me to show how I'm making a stitch which is called the tie stitch. So I'm going to start by adding another needle to my straw here, and then the other thing I found out is that it's better rather to just pull on the straw to uncover some needles is to hold the needles and push on the straw, so that way the needles stay in place, because sometimes if you just pull on the straw you can pull the needles with it. So I'm ready to make the next stitch. And it's made like this by going to the left of the stitch on the row below, over the top, come back to the right of the stitch on the row below, over the top, and then around the back. And then you push the needle again to the right hand side of the new stitch you've just made. And then again, hold my needles, push on the straw to uncover some more needles, and then make the next stitch to the left of the stitch on the row below, over the top, to the right of the stitch on the row below, over the top, around the back, and then again to the right of the new stitch you've made. And this locks it into place. That's it. See you next time. Bye bye.